What's up, guys? I started getting back with another video here today. We are going to be playing some Lone Wolf, and I was stuck on this mission and I finally figured out how to do it. I was doing it correct, I just missed the shot. Sorry, guys. Okay, got him. Headshot. Got him. Right, yes, we got it. We did the mission, guys. Items. Okay, guys. So this is our rifle. It's pretty neat. Pretty sick. Looks like a Kar 98. You know what I mean? So now we're gonna check out the other missions. Let's continue. Mr. Wong, if you don't help us, we will bring you to Mando. I believe you and Mando would have a lot of fun together. Please, I told you already. Redface has your money. You will have to come with us, Mr. Wong. I told you everything already. Please, just let me go. You will be fine as long as we find Redface. I'll find him. Redface will be hiding hiding if what Mr. Wong says true. We'll lure Redface out. His brother takes a bus every day, weekday morning. Redface got his nickname from the red hair his Scottish genes have blessed him with. His brother will have red hair as well. Kill him, hopefully before Redface can warn him. Okay, guys, let's see. Let's kill this guy. Red hair. That's him, I guess. Okay, that's a mission accomplished, guys. Damn, that was easy. I guess Redface was too busy gathering his crew. Let me guess, you need me to kill them. You have my word. We'll meet Mando after this. Redface uses a warehouse to operate out of. Same as Mr. Wong. You will kill the security and get me Redface. Okay, we should not kill him. Yo, Leonard. So guys, we have to not kill him I have to shoot him on the leg then. First we need to kill the security. So how do I shoot like this? Kill security, capture Redface. Okay, fine. Oh shit, I died. Oh no, that was mission failed. Anyways, oh, Samsung Galaxy 20. Okay, how do I cross this out? Okay, let's try that again, guys. Let's try that again. Oh shit, so I have to shoot them all in the head, guys. Anyways, let's try that again. This is gonna be hard. Oh shit, can't I just duck down? What's wrong with these people? Damn, I'm raging, man. I'm raging. Oh no. How the hell did that happen? Shit.
ওয়ার্ক ফ্রম হোম, কিন্তু
There's
এই
way too
অপশনটা
many,
আমার ডাক্তার
like,
বউয়ের কাছে নেই। ও রাত দিন
ads.
হসপিটালে লড়ছে আর রোগের সাথে লড়াই করছে।
Okay, let's play that again. Let's take them out. Take this ball head. Oh shit, I got two of them. I got two of them this time. Two of them. Now this time all I have to do. Why do I have to like... Got him. I think that's enough. What's going on? Redface, he's not here. That's because he planned this. This is an ambush? What will make you think that? This is exactly how I would have done it. Shit, they're here. Capture Redface, do not kill him. Ah, shit. Oh no, I died. There's way too many guards, guys. I have to do this again. Okay, I have 3 more tries until... Who's gonna pop up next? Oh shit, the reloading part. He ran away. No, I got all the guards. All I had to do was just shoot him in the leg. Freaking bugger. Okay, we have to shoot him again, guys. We have to do this again. We have to capture this red face dude, this redhead. Alright, guys, he's gonna pop up from where? Where are they gonna pop up from? Oh shit. Okay, headshot after headshot, guys. Why did I kill Redface? Did I kill Redface? Oh no! Okay, fine, guys. This is our last time. We have to do this. If I win this, I'm gonna have to end the video here because I don't have much time and I only have 1 more energy left. Let's see if we can do this, guys. Hey, kidhar hai woi? Pura maar diya. Ora. अरे यार क्या कर रहा है? Alright guys, let's get this. No, why the reloading? Why? Okay, so guys, let's continue to do this. I just refilled. I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna edit this. I have 2 minutes to complete a mission. Got him. Headshot. अरे यार reload क्यों? मार दिया. Got him. I got him. Yes. Mission accomplished. Yes, guys. So anyways, thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like the video, and I will be seeing you in the next video of this game. Bye bye.